Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Hope so you all are doing very well and you all are in very good health. So today I am going to tell you about the University of Toronto Scholarship, the 5000 Toronto University Canada Scholarship 2022, that is a fully funded program. So get ready for the 5000 Toronto University Canada Scholarship. Toronto University increased the numbers of scholarships from 4,400 to 5,000 for the academic year 2022 to 2023. So this is a good opportunity. They increase 600 seats for the next academic year. All international students can apply for the undergraduate and graduate degree programs. The University of Toronto consistently ranked first 3 times in Canada and 18 in the World University ranking. The UFT scholarship don't require an IELTS score if you have completed your previous education at English Institute. Also, you can give an online English language test from your home, which is called Duolingo English Test. For the international students, the first higher education institute in Canada, the U of T scholarship, is considered the best scholarship ever. The university has all academic fields of study for bachelor, master, and doctoral programs. Students, including international candidates, are automatically considered for a variety of admission scholarships when they apply to the university. So let's have a look on this details. Details about 5000 Toronto University Canada Scholarship. The scholarship country host is Canada and the capital of Canada is Ottawa. And the university name is Toronto University. And the degree level are undergraduate and graduate. Financial coverage is fully funded and the deadline is 13th January 2022. Available fields of study at the University of Toronto. The university, its colleges, faculties and division award approximately 5,000 admission scholarships. Architecture, landscape and design, biomedical communications, dentistry, education, forestry, information, law, management, medical radiation sciences, medicines, nursing, occupational science and occupational therapy, pharmacy, physical therapy, physician assistant, engineering, social science, and health. University of Toronto Scholarship and Awards. The university will cover the expenses of tuition fees, books will be provided, health insurance during the program, a full support of accommodation for 4 years. You can use the Award Explorer and you will see the available scholarships. These are a lot of scholarships offered by the University of Toronto. So let's see the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria are different and vary. Depends on which scholarship you are applying to. Each scholarship has its own requirement. So you can check the eligibility criteria of scholarship program. English language requirement exemption. If you have completed or completing 4 or more years of full-time academic study in a recognized Canadian school in Canada that teaches in English, then you can exempt from English language requirement. If you have completed or completing 4 or more years of full-time academic study in an English language school, and if you have Duolingo English test acceptable and arts is also acceptable, the minimum requirement is an overall band of 6.5 with no band below 6.0. The deadline is 13th January 2022. How to apply for the University of Toronto scholarship? So let's have a look on the official website. So here you have to go to applying. So access to the international application. So first of all you have to create your account. Go to create an OUAC account. You have to write your first name here, your middle name, your last name, your date of birth, and your email and confirm email, and username, your password and confirm password. Then create my account. Then they will send you an email address. You have to simply active that account. You have to simply active that email address. So I'm going to log in because I have made my account already. So here I put my username and my password and login. So this is the login page. You have to put all the information step by step. You can read all the information written here. First of all, your personal information, then your contact information, then academic background, browse program choice, document upload, other information, activities, employment, review and submit. So these are all the information. You have to put it very carefully. I'm going to start the personal information. So this is my personal information page. So guys, this is the whole process. I just want to tell you that how you can apply here or how you can access the online application for the University of Toronto. So guys, hope so now you understand that how you can apply for this University of Toronto scholarship program for the academic year 2022. So guys, don't wait for the last date. Apply as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope so you enjoyed this video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.